Good morning and welcome to a wet and windy Bondi. It's the official start of the selling season. We're 4 weeks in now. We've actually sold 15 properties, might be 16 by today. We're just waiting on one exchange in the last 4 weeks since opening up the office doors on the 6th of January. Do you know what? The papers have been saying it's all a bit of doom and gloom, prices are coming off. Not from what we've seen. Our inquiry rate from this time last year has been up 30%. Now that's a huge increase. I know we saw a big rise in prices. We did see it coming off towards the end of last year. You know, the Reserve Bank and the banks tightened up on investor lending and it certainly pulled those guys out of the market. Interestingly enough, we've had a number of properties that were on the market towards the end of last year, struggled a little bit and have had amazing results, an amazing increase in buyer interest this year. Namely, we had one, 7 of 27 Glen Street, a 50 square metre, little one bedroom plus sunroom. Now last year we were struggling to get offers even close to the 650 level. A lovely investor from Francis Street bought it for 680,000. So had a very happy vendor. Another interesting statistic looking at the beginning of this year, obviously January is usually a quiet month for open for inspections, but we've met to date over 1,400 people so far at open for inspections and issued 98 contracts. Now that's quite a number of buyers. And what we're finding is, of course, as we've just said, there's a number of investors coming back into the market. There are a whole load of fresh new buyers out there. So if you are thinking about putting a property on the market, now may be a good time. Interestingly enough as well, it is the first week of February, but Easter comes early this year. So Easter is at the end of March. We have now listed all our properties for the end of February auctions and we are now listing for March. Now there's only 4 listing weeks before we hit the autumn season. Isn't that scary? So time to get your skates on really. But having said that, look, we have had some great sales over the last 2 weeks. A great 2-bedroom that sold in 5 days in McPherson Street for 1.33 million. Good on you, Anthony. A property in Bronte Road in Waverley, I think we spoke of last time. Now that was on the market last year, at the end of last year, with another agent. Now they struggled around that 2.1 mark. We actually got that away for 2.3 just a few days ago. So it is showing, I think, that we have got a bit of an increase in the level of activity, the level of buyers. Don't listen to the media. The eastern suburbs is still a very strong place to invest. It's a very strong place to look at buying. We have some great new properties coming up in the Bondi and the eastern suburbs area. I've got a beautiful freestanding cottage in Ravenswood Avenue in Randwick that Dan has listed. It's a classic Federation home with all the original features. That's around that 2-2.2, I believe the guide is on that. We've got a beautiful 3-bedroom property in Edward Street. It's on the first floor. You've got a bit of a beach glimpse. It's got tandem parking, great investment opportunity, as well as a really cute gingerbread cottage in 3 Ruthven Street, Bondi Junction. That is just gorgeous. Check out our website. We have got some wonderful new properties starting up. Looking forward to seeing you soon. I hope you all enjoy Valentine's Day coming up this weekend. There's some wonderful places to eat out around Bondi, lots of groovy romantic bars. Before I close though, I would just like to say one thing. Obviously, the funeral was this week, but we all know a wonderful Bondi personality who was a very dear friend of mine, Big Wave Dave. I'd just like to dedicate this one to him. Thank you.